If you've ever wanted to learn both bridal and traditional makeup in one sitting, then this video is for you. On one side of my face, I'll be doing a bridal look, and the other side, a beautiful traditional look. Please note that this is not a 1 minute video, so if that's what you want, please skip the video now, because I've made this video very detailed because I want all beginners to follow and understand every step. So without doing too much, let's get right into the video. So first, after cleaning my face, I went in with all-in-one moistening cream from Blossom to moisturize my face. You should note that for a bridal look and a traditional look, you just use the same skin prep. I mean, same process. Yeah, so no matter your skin type, the skin type of your bride, you should always moisturize the face. You can see I'm massaging my face to make sure that it sinks into my skin, and then I dried it out with my fan. So next I went in with bump moisturizer. Sorry, I turned it upside down. So basically, I really love to moisturize my under eye. Like, always moisturize your under eye because that part of your face really needs moisture a lot. Yeah, so next I used Aqua primer. Yeah, this is my go-to primer for um combination skin and then dry skin. So if you have any of this skin type, I recommend this primer. It's actually good. Yeah, so after that, after applying the primer, I'll go in with my foundation. Here I used V Beauty foundation. Always make sure that your foundation matches your skin shade. I mean, take it to your skin. Make sure apply it on your neck or on your wrist. Make sure that it matches your skin before applying it on your face. You can see the skin match. Yeah, so I'm dapping it, and make sure that you use a damp beauty sponge to apply your foundation. So next I applied my blush. You guys know I'm a pink girl. Yeah, I'm tired of telling you guys. Yes, so after applying the blush, I went in with my concealer. So for this tutorial, I'll be using Avour concealer. Dab, 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 dab gently, gently. Do not forget it's your under eye, and then any mistake on your eye or on your client's eye, there will be tears, like you tear up, and that might ruin the whole thing if you do not know how to handle it. So just be gentle on your skin, especially your under eye. Yeah, so I went in with a brighter concealer, and this is, what is the name again? I'll just drop it in the description box. So I just love my under eye to be bright, so I had to go in again with a brighter concealer to pop the under eye. And then at this point I used my pressed powder to set the under eye, one shade lighter than my skin tone, to set my under eye, and I went in with my setting powder to set the under eye, and of course used the powder same shade with my skin tone to apply it all over my face. And you should do same too. If you are dark, you shouldn't be using a shade for light skin, so you should learn how to identify these shades and what's best suit your skin. Okay, pay more attention here because this is where the magic comes in between the bridal look and the traditional bridal look. So after applying the eyeshadow primer, I went in with a soft brown for my transition for the bridal look. I applied it back and forth from the outer to the inner corner of my eye to make sure that it comes out flawless. Yeah, so after that I went in with my Annie's Beauty. I don't know, like for some reason since I bought this product, I've not been able to use any other products. Like, I'm so in love with this. So I applied a darker brown in the outer corner of my eye just to give it some depth. You can see that. And then I blended it out to avoid harsh lines. Next, I used art eyeshadow to get the soft pink for the bridal look, and that's all for that. So we move over to the traditional bridal look. First, I used the soft brown for the transition, and then I went in again with another brown, just a little bit darker than the previous one. And after blending that out, I went in with a small black eyeshadow to create the smoky eye, and I used this gold pigment from MK Beauty. If you're still watching us to this point, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our videos. I believe that at this point you're beginning to see the difference between the two looks. That the bridal brow is just simple, not too dark, just natural. It's giving this natural feel, and then the traditional look is thick, bold, and a little bit dark. And I like it. I just love it the way it is because it is bold. For the lips, I used Avour lip stain to outline my lips, and then I went in with a pink shade from Blossom Lip Palette. For the traditional look, I used Avour lip stain. I mean, we are going for something bold, so I opted for this red lip stain because I love red. I mean, what is traditional look without a red lips? I just love it. That doesn't mean that you should use red. Well, for me, I just love it. Yeah, so right here, I'm applying my lip gloss because what a bridal look without the gloss. So this is the final look, guys. Look at this look. I mean, I love everything. I love every details of this look. I love everything about this look. So let me know, what do you like about this look? What did you learn in this video? Drop it in the comment section, and if you did not like this video, please do that now, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell to be the first to see our videos, and also share this video to someone you know that needs it the most. Let me know what you would like us to create next. See you guys in my next video. Bye.